Who said that? Oh no, you're stuck. Don't worry, I'll help you.
Thank you, kind girl. I'm Piku, the magical talking parrot. Since you helped me, I'll grant you one wish.
A magical parrot? Wow! Look at those glowing flowers.
It's the forest of wonders. But be careful. Not everything here is friendly.
Who's there?
I lost my golden carrot. It's my favorite toy.
Don't worry, we'll find it for you.
Yes, we'll help you find your golden carrot, little bunny.
Oh, thank you. It means so much to me.
The golden carrot is on the other side, but the river is too deep to cross.
What if we use those floating lily pads?
That could...
It's like a game of hopscotch.
Just keep your focus, Layla.
Just one more jump, Piku.
I've got it.
We did it. Let's take it back to the bunny.
Lead the way, adventurer.
Oh, thank you. It means so much to me.
I'm so happy we could help. It was quite the adventure, wasn't it?
Absolutely. And you were incredibly brave, Layla.
You're the kindest girl ever.
It was nothing. Helping friends is what makes adventures so special.
Layla, are you ready to head back?
As much as I love it here, I'm ready. Thank you, Piku. It's been amazing. What a wonderful adventure. Thank you, Piku.
It's you who made it wonderful, Layla. Remember, kindness and courage can make any day magical.
Goodbye, Piku. Until next time. What a wonderful adventure. Thank you, Piku.
It's you who made it wonderful, Layla. Remember, kindness and courage can make any day magical.